Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I'll be giving you my thoughts and impressions of the Ryobi 40 volt 21 inch electric lawnmower. Going what it came with in the box, my past year's experience using it, and if it's right for you. Let's get into it. All right, so let's go over everything that this comes with for, I think it's $500 right now on sale. It was $549 when I purchased it last year. You do get two 6-amp-hour batteries. You get a bag for mulching. You get a chute, and this will mulch as well, and there's a plug for the mulch in there. And for $500, and you're getting two 5-amp-hour batteries, it's like paying $100 for the lawnmower, because those 6-amp-hour batteries are about $200 a piece. So if you're already in the system, this is a great way to get more batteries and a lawnmower. Let's go over the operation. So to operate this, pull down on the handle up here, press down on the button to start it. And then since mine is the cross cut, gotta hold down on it. And since mine is the cross cut with the self-propelled, that's all you need to move it. Ryobi does claim that this will do 3/4 of an acre, and I can see that. I have about 1/3 of an acre, and I am able to mow my entire lawn with battery to spare. I actually take the batteries out and put them in my weed whacker. You do get a really nice LED light up front. One handle to adjust so you're not going to wheel the height. I absolutely love this. So you can come all the way down and go all the way up. I think that's a bit high, but if you have some high grass, you do get some gap underneath there. You also do get a charger out of the box. I did forget to mention that. All right, let's get into some of the pros of this lawnmower. Zero maintenance because it's battery operated. I mean, you're gonna have to sharpen the blades every once in a while or get a new one, but that's unavoidable compared to where you're not putting gas in it. You're not changing the oil. Very low maintenance compared to a gas engine one. And the way gas is going right now, electric's the way to go. I like the fact that it's 3-in-1. I usually just mulch, but if I need to, I have the side chute and I can bag. I like bagging in the fall so I can pick up the leaves at the same time. I like the big wheels on it. I mean, they feel okay. They're not like the greatest, but the whole thing is mostly plastic, but then you don't have to worry about rusting. I do like the LED light in the front. Not that I'll ever need it, but it's there. And for what I need it for, I have 1/3 of an acre. I'm able to get it done relatively easy. Ryobi states this will do 3/4 of an acre. And I am actually able to use one battery to mow my entire lawn. And then I plug that 40-volt battery into my weed whacker, and then I weed whack and leaf blow with the same battery. One last pro I like is how much this stores up. So you can actually stand this up with one hand and have it set up like that in your garage to take up less space or shed or wherever. And that's a real plus in my opinion. This is the cross-cut system. So you do have two blades. And that's the nut right there to take it off. And that's about after a year of use and it's still going strong. Let's get into some of the cons of this lawnmower. I would say price, you can pick up a gas lawnmower for $130, $140 new. It's made out of plastic, but that could be a positive as well because it's not going to rust. I have had the blade housing rust out on me, but it seems to be holding up okay because even though it's plastic. And like I said, 90% of this is plastic. You have very few metal parts other than the handle here, maybe the blade itself, and a couple other parts. It does a good job of mowing your lawn. Let's get into one of the biggest drawbacks to owning an electric lawnmower is batteries and how much they cost. If you wanted to get more batteries, they're about $200 per single battery. So there's $400 of batteries right there. I also don't like this key system. I have the Ryobi 40-volt snowblower, and you don't have to swap over. It pulls from them automatically. And this, if I want to use this battery, I have to have that pointing that way, and if I want to use this battery, I have to have it pointing the other way. It's like a giant fuse, and it just keys it the different way. Overall, this is a good lawnmower, especially if you have a slightly smaller lawn. And you get the ability to cut 21 inches at a time. Well, if you like this content, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.